told you already. Good morning. We are discussing now chromosomal verification of experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance. A experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance given by T.H. Morgan scientist. T.H. Morgan. T.H. Morgan. T.H. Morgan discovered the basis for variation. T.H. Morgan discovered the basis for variations which is produced by sexual reproduction. Which is produced by sexual reproduction. Very, very important. So basis for genetics given by Gregor John Mendel. Basis for variation which is produced by sexual reproduction, that is discovered by T.H. Morgan. It leads to new branch of biology. Experimental genetics. It leads to new branch of biology, experimental genetics. So T.H. Morgan called father of experimental genetics. Important. Who is the father of genetics? Mendel. Who is the father of experimental genetics? T.H. Morgan. Who is the father of human genetics? Archibald Gardner. Father of experimental genetics. T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on fruit fly. T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on fruit fly. Important. Fruit fly means Drosophila melanogaster. T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on fruit fly. Scientific name Drosophila melanogaster. Gregor John Mendel conducted experiments on Pisum sativum, pea plants. Here important one, why T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on fruit fly and discovered the basis for variation which is produced by sexual reproduction. So it leads to new branch of biology, experimental genetics. So he called father of experimental genetics. He conducted experiments on fruit fly. So he is also called flyman of genetics. Flyman of genetics called T.H. Morgan. Father of experimental genetics called T.H. Morgan. Flyman of genetics, T.H. Morgan. T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on which organism? Fruit fly. Drosophila melanogaster. Very, very important. And here on theory important. Why Gregor John Mendel selected pea plants? That time I was given. Easily grown in the garden. 1 year short lifespan. Where self and cross pollination takes place. Like that was given. Here also question may chance to ask. What question? T.H. Morgan. Why T.H. Morgan chose fruit fly for his experiments? Reason for that. One by one. So fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, easily grown in the garden. Wrong. They are suitable to grown in a synthetic medium in laboratory. Synthetic medium in laboratory. First point, synthetic medium in laboratory. I'll give that. Synthetic medium in a laboratory. They complete lifespan. They complete life cycle about 2 weeks. Single mating producing many progeny flies. Clearly exhibit male and clearly exhibition of sexes. Clearly exhibition of sex. I mean male and female. Clearly exhibition of sexes. Single mating producing many progeny flies. Single mating produced many progeny flies. Many progeny flies. Single mating produced many progeny flies. They show many contrasting characters. Many contrasting characters. These two many contrasting character, easily visible under low power microscope. Low power microscope. Low power microscope. Reasons why Mendel. Having 4 pairs of chromosomes. 4 pairs chromosomes. 4 pairs of chromosomes. उसमें 3 pairs are autosomes. 3 pair autosomes. 1 pair sex chromosome, allosomes. The two XXXY, like human. XXXY. So these are important. Why T.H. Morgan chose the fruit fly or Drosophila melanogaster for his experiments? Reason for that, they are suitable to grown in a synthetic medium, artificial medium in laboratory. They complete their life cycle about 2 weeks. Then they show the clearly exhibition of the sexes, male and female. Single mating produced many progeny flies. Then many contrasting characters they have, easily visible under low power microscope. They have 4 pairs of chromosomes, 3 pairs are autosomes, 1 pair is allosomes. Allosomes nothing but XXXY. Allosomes are XXXY. It seems to be humans. So, fruit fly is a very good example for genetic research. That's why it is called Cinderella of genetics. Cinderella of genetics, fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. Name the Cinderella of genetics, Drosophila melanogaster fruit fly. Very, very important. Which are the following organisms, or can you mention the 2 organisms for good for the genetics? Fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster. Neurospora, fungal organism, Ascomycetes. That's also correct. Neurospora, fungal organism. Which are the following fungal organism excellent for genetics? Neurospora. Which are the following is the Cinderella of genetics? Fruit fly. Why fruit fly taken? These are the reasons. T.H. Morgan. And you see, T.H. Morgan conducted dihybrid experiments. Important. T.H. Morgan experiments, 2 types of experiments he had been conducted. Concentrate please. Morgan experiments. T.H. Morgan experiments. Morgan experiments. So he conducted dihybrid cross experiments. Mendel conducted dihybrid cross experiments on fruit fly. First experiment one type. What he do? Then he crossed Morgan. He crossed yellow body. He crossed yellow body, white-eyed female. Yellow body, white-eyed female. Like this I mentioned. He crossed yellow body, white-eyed female with a brown body, red-eyed male. Like this symbol. Male. This is a female, this is male. So Morgan crossed a yellow body, white-eyed female with a brown body, red-eyed male. So these are 2 characters are here. So that's why it is a dihybrid cross. So yellow body, white-eyed crossed with a brown body, red-eyed male. Then F1 generation. What comes F1 generation? According to law of dominance, either one of the parental character came there. But here somewhat different. F1 generation, male exhibits female characters. Male exhibits a female character. Female exhibits a male character. Female exhibits a male characters. See, very, very important. Male exhibits a female character. Female exhibits a male character. I mean, if a male exhibits a female character, means yellow body, white-eyed. Female, this is a female, yellow body, white-eyed female. This exhibits this character, brown body, red-eyed. Ulta. Then F1 self. When F1 self, what happened? F2 generation totally deviated from 9:3:3:1. No chance to get the 9:3:3:1. Very, very, very important. Here, dihybrid cross of the Morgan experiments. F2 generation totally deviated from 9:3:3:1. According to Mendel dihybrid cross, F2 generation phenotype ratio 9:3:3:1. But here totally deviated from 9:3:3:1. Why is that totally deviated from 9:3:3:1? I'll say. Because here parent F2 generation parental combinations. Parental combinations are 98.7%. Recombinations or new characters. Recombinations or new characters are 1.3%. Very, very, very important. I repeat, see here. Morgan conducted dihybrid experiments in fruit fly. He crossed yellow body white-eyed female with a brown body red-eyed. In F1 generation, male exhibits female character, female exhibits a male character. But in F1 self, F2 generation, they did not get the 9:3:3:1. I mean, totally deviated from the 9:3:3:1 ratio. So it did not show the law of independent assortment. Law of independent, because of that genes are not segregated easily. So parental combination is 98.7%. Recombinations are 1.3%. Sir, why sir parental combination 98.7? Why recombinations are 1.3? What parental combination? Yellow body white-eyed is a parent. Brown body red-eyed is a parent. So these characters, offspring yellow body white-eyed, brown body red-eyed, only this type of characters 98.7. New character means yellow body red-eyed, brown body white-eyed. It is a recombination. These characters are this type of offspring only 1.3% only. Why sir only 1.3 recombination? Parental is why 98.7%. Because yellow body white-eyed genes are very close. Yellow body white-eyed genes, this like this. Yellow body white-eyed genes are very close, very, very close. Linked genes. I told you physical association of two genes are called linked. So linked genes. Yellow body white-eyed genes are very close. So that's why they are not easily segregated. They are not easily separate. They are not easily separate. They are not easily segregated. That's why parental combinations are high. Recombinations are high. Low. We'll take a second type of experiment. Then white-eyed, he crossed white-eyed reduced wings or miniature wings. Reduced wings with red-eyed normal wings. Red-eyed normal wings. Second type experiment. F1 same. Male exhibits a female character, female exhibits a male character. Then F1 self. F2 generation. Result. F2 generation important here. In F2 generation, 62.8% parental combinations. Parental combination. Recombinations are 37.2%. This is also very, very important. 37.2%. Parental combination A case means 62.8. Recombination 37.2. I'll say briefly. White-eyed reduced wings, miniature wings, crossed with red-eyed normal wings. F1 generation male exhibits female, female exhibits male character. F1 self, they did not deviate, they did not get the 9:3:3:1, same concept. But parental combination when compared to here 62.8, but recombinations are 37.2. What parental combination? White-eyed reduced wing is one parent, red-eyed normal wing is another parent. These two characters is 62.8. White-eyed normal wing is a variation. Red-eyed reduced wings are a new combination, variations. That type of characters of offspring are 37.2%. Sir, here parental combination 98.7. Here parental combinations are 62.8. Here recombinations are 1.3. Here recombinations are 37.2. What is the reason, sir? Because here yellow body white-eyed is very close. Here white-eyed reduced wings are some distances. Loosely packed genes. Loosely packed. So loosely packed is there, then easily segregate. Segregate means separate. Separate means then recombinations are chances. Recombinations are chances. So from these two experiments, Morgan described that. From these two experiments, Morgan described that Then the characteristics of these are all present on the X chromosome. The genes are present on X chromosome. And he given the statement, when two genes are present on the same chromosome, it's a proportion to parental combination much higher than compared to non-parental. Where two genes are present on the same chromosome, parental combinations are high when compared to non-parental. That was given by T.H. Morgan concept. When two genes are present on same chromosome, parental combinations are high. And second important statement. Loosely packed genes having high recombinations. Loosely packed genes having high recombinations. Densely packed, tightly packed genes having low recombinations. Very important concept. T.H. Morgan described that when two genes are present on the same chromosome, parental combinations are much higher than compared to non-parental. When two genes are loosely packed, then recombinations are high, like this. When two genes are tightly packed, here recombinations are low. Describe, 3-mark question. Describe the T.H. Morgan, what T.H. Morgan described from his experiments. Two genes are same chromosome, parental combinations are high. Loosely packed genes having high recombination, tightly linked genes having low recombination. So where genes are two genes are very tight, where two genes are very linked genes having parental combinations are high. I am repeat that. Linked genes having parental combinations are high, recombinations are low. Non-linked genes having recombinations are high, parental combinations are low. Non-linked genes. Linked genes are directly proportional to parental combination. Important statement. Linked genes are directly proportional to parental. So link is high, parental is high. Linked genes are inversely proportional to recombination. That is also important. The distance between two genes is high. Distance between two genes high means when distance high, easy to segregate. Two genes are the distance between two genes are directly proportional to recombinations. Important concept. The distance between two genes is directly proportional to recombinations. This is also important concepts. Recombination come by the crossing over. Crossing over chances maximum 0 to 50%. Crossing over chances 0 to 50% recombination chances, not more than that. Now, if however linkage, hardly crossing over will be there. Compulsory there, but very hardly. Even linked genes also hardly crossing over is there. Recombination. Then recombination frequency formula. RF 1% recombination equal to 1 map unit. 1% recombination equal to 1 map unit. This is important one. 1% recombination equal to 1% recombination equal to 1 map unit or 1 centimorgan. 1 centimorgan, like this. 1 centimorgan. 12% recombination means 12 map units. Recombination frequency RF. Recombination frequency RF equal to total recombination by total recombinations by number of progeny. This is a formula. Sometimes make question neat important apart. Can you find the recombination frequency means recombination frequency equal to total recombinations by number of progeny. That is the formula for a recombination frequency. Then Alfred Stewart Went, scientist important. Alfred Stewart Went. So Alfred Stewart Went measure the frequency of gene recombination. Alfred Stewart Went measure the frequency of gene recombination. How it is measured? By two factors. One is physical distance between two genes. Physical distance between genes. First. Second, map their on chromosomes. To map, locate on chromosomes. I mean where it is present. Chromosomes. So frequency of gene recombination measured by which scientist? Alfred Schweitzer, 1911. Here important. Alfred Schweitzer. So frequency of gene recombination measured by Alfred Schweitzer. What are the factors measuring the gene recombination? Physical distance between two genes, to map or location of their chromosomes. This is nothing but Alfred Schweitzer recombination chances. Next, linked genes. Linked means two genes are association. That is the linked genes. Linked groups. The genes which are present at the chromosome, how pair is there? That is called linked gene. Linked groups. Linkage groups, exactly. Linkage groups formula: number of haploid chromosomes plus types of allosomes. Linkage groups formula. One more important point for NEET. Linkage groups equal to number of haploid chromosomes plus types of allosomes or types of sex chromosomes. This is the important formula for the linkage groups. For example, pea plants having how many chromosomes? 14. So pea plant having linkage groups 7. Pea, Physum sativum, 7 linked groups. Human having how many linked groups? Generally 23 linked groups humans having. But human male XY chromosomes, two types of them. So human male is nothing but 24 linked groups. So human female is nothing but 23. Human female linked groups are 23. Human male linked groups are 24. Generally asking human means 23 linked groups. Physum sativum 7 linked groups. Bacteria 1 linked. One linked groups are 1. So these are the important statements and important events in recombinations, T.H. Morgan concepts. From this, any doubts, additional information, anything you check through different books. Any doubts, you message me.